Hello, welcome to this Lansweeper video where today I'll be showing you how you can get an overview of all of your macOS devices and ensure that they're on the latest version and get an overview of which of your macOS devices aren't yet updated to the latest versions, which include the latest vulnerability fixes, security updates, but also the latest features that Apple has been releasing. Now, in order to do this, we'll have to head into Lansweeper and give you a look there. So here in Lansweeper, we've gone over to the reports area where you can get an overview of all of your reports, and the specific report that we're looking for will be in the security area. So we're going to head over to the security reports where we'll find the report that we are looking for. So here in the report, you can get an overview of all of your Apple macOS devices along with the system version, domain, manufacturer model, IP address, and additional details. This list is specifically filtered on devices that are out of date, so you have an actionable list that you can take action on and make sure that they're all up to date and fully secure against any potential vulnerabilities that are out there and being actively exploited. Now, we'll also have additional details on our blog where we'll cover what new features have been added and give you a quick overview of the vulnerabilities that have been fixed. So you can head over there to get more details. Additionally, if you want to try out Lansweeper, if you don't have Lansweeper yet, you can try Lansweeper out for free and also grab this report, go over straight to this report, run it, and get this overview for your own IT environment so you can start fixing or updating your Apple macOS devices straight away. And with that, that's all. I want to thank you for watching.